Haga jingye kendo baginong pathai kubor haga step jong ka pratrik unai luar hajar arpuar. Haga yang sa jong Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Uba atitos Starwell Khan ulapan pau bajan barok ki MDC jong ka KHADC da ko kesur ki perca jore ka rai jong sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance baniat chakamat ga bapentri kam ka Code of Criminal Procedure CRPC bad ka Code of Civil Procedure CPC habrok ko ki jela. Kam tam ke jaka betrekam ke bor jong ki district council. Uba titos Starwell Khan ulong bag sarkar keleban besut iki kentin gibong excluding the code created under the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, and this code shall continue to the right power under para 4 and para 5 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India, and exclusive jurisdiction of the district council court to hear and trial cases between in tribal areas shall not in any way be diluted. Kumta nagaliang ka KHADC kladawan ng sarkar bansangi aswa haga ban kreya ban pentrekam ya ka CRPC bat ka CPC kat bakam patla ban penbed. Namar haga jingi kendo yu menteri rangba ka jelaw Conrad Kongkal Sangma rang Shenru. Kinong ilam jong borok lightly ka Autonomous District Council kiladap ajing mod ya kania.
Mending hapa ni kedua si amba ya mentahi nakaliang kesunga ngakwa ban pha kani ka message sa state government baka day ban keep and hold syai kan information kampat day ban notify kan information kat bang impat ya syai bat council dan rela daki go ahead ngan ong ipi baka ni ka rai kala dilute ya ka power jungi ka pemut hila day ban khang no ya ka district council ade ban khang dam no ya ka district council ko gimdan bor syo maka notification hi ka ong kumta ka ong ba la apply in the whole state ngingi kwa baka the state government can bu contain excluding the code created by the district council. Tadi ka jingkwa ni. Makani ngan ya tu ipi kala ya tekhu bat ka para 53 jong ka 6 schedule bat ka notification ka om bakam dei ban apply da ka CRPC bat CPC. Pi kat kum ka para 53 jong ka 6 schedule. Kat baka notification bat ka om ba can apply to all codes in Meghalaya. Haba om all codes in Meghalaya kamot, village code, subordinate code, district council code. Ya kani ka notification ni kala dilute ya ka powers jongki district council code. Kadang nga susi ba lo kani ka banta. Kadang ka jongi ngin hap ya keren biang ngan sa lum ya ka jingelang la monde pakai MDC barokai.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To ask the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.